All right, let me introduce you to a small little lamp. This is actually a flashlight. It has two different types of LED lights, one for the front, one for the back. Now it does have a clip. That means you could clip it in front of your chest and walk around at night if you're going camping. This is perfect. Now this one has a lot of hidden features. It has two magnets, so if you need it for your car, you could put it above your actual hood. It's perfect. Now another great thing is that it indicates when it's charging how much percentage you have, telling you, hey, you got 35%, 40%, and so forth. Power button is very simple to manipulate the both lights. I'll show you guys in a bit. Now, one of the great things I like about it is two types of USBs. You have a type C and a type A. All right, now that means you could charge the device and you could also charge other devices. So if you forget your charger for your phone, this is another way you could carry this extra battery. So let's go ahead and test this out and show you how it works. When you have a flash like this, you can put it above your head, but it has to be right below the hat so you can actually see where you're walking at night. So clip on here. So it's going to flashlight forward and down, and you're able to hold the button down, 1, 2, 3. You're able to see one light first, which is the bottom light, and then when you hit on the second one, it changes to red, blue, indication of all sorts of things. So I'm going to show you the front one. All right, that's the front one, and then I'm going to show you the dimming, flashing. So this is very simple to actually use the flashlight and take it off. This one has different features on it. So if you click on it, I'm going to show you a couple of ones. All right, you click on it once, it turns red. All right, so if you're biking at night or you're working in your vehicle at night, and then of course it turns blue, and then it changes. All right, this is more like manipulating like a police officer here. And then of course you turn it off and you turn it on in the front, and then you could dim it down, and it also changes to different modes. And that's pretty much it. So overall, very simple little flashlight that you could take anywhere. Hope you guys enjoy the video.